I am Kirsty from James the Salon here in LA. I am so excited. I am here with my beautiful model Yasmin. We are going to be having a play on Yasmin's hair and we're going to be demonstrating Moroccanoil's amazing new product. I absolutely adore this product because I love popping it through hair when it's super sensitive, when it's all wet, and it just helps you glide through with ease. It's amazing. I'm just going to apply a generous amount. Start from the bottom. See how that just glides through. Hey guys, I'm now going to be using Moroccanoil's Curl Defining Cream. This is my favourite product for curly hair because I actually really like the bounce and the movement that it gives. It is heat activated, so I am going to be using it with a diffuser, but that's just for a little bit of extra volume, extra bounce. You can let it dry naturally. I'm actually going to go through and enhance these curls just a little bit, just for that added volume, and it's not going to take away any of the hydration that's already placed in the hair. It's actually just going to make it look a little bit more bouncier and just a little bit more fresher. But I am going to use the Moroccanoil Treatment Light. I'm just going to pop a little bit into my hands and I'm going to coat both sides of my hands, because when you're doing this, all of your hands are touching the hair. And I'm just going to go through and we're going to go through and separate some curls just for that more natural look. I want that body and texture, not perfectly defined. That oil is just going to keep it hydrated so it's not too frizzy as we pull it out. Having oil all over my hands will allow me to work and play with Yaz's hair constantly without letting it go too frizzy or too textured. It's still going to hold that curl because that treatment's going to lock it all in.